Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, we're sharing an amazing juice recipe that's not only delicious, but also great for your kidneys. In this recipe, we're combining 5 powerful ingredients to create a supercharged juice blend. Here's what you'll need: fresh ginger. This root is not only tasty but also packed with health benefits. Ginger helps with digestion, circulation, and cleansing the body of toxins. Garlic. Garlic is more than just a flavorful addition to dishes. It's a good source of vitamins and minerals, and it has antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Plus, it can reduce the risk of heart attack, has anti-cancer properties, and supports bone health. Red onion. This humble veggie is loaded with antioxidants and nutrients that are beneficial for overall health. Beetroot. Beetroot is a powerhouse of nutrients and is known for its detoxifying properties. It's great for cleansing the liver and other organs. Honey. Sweet and delicious honey adds a touch of natural sweetness to the juice while providing polyphenols, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. Simply blend all these ingredients together with water to create a refreshing and nutritious juice that's perfect for supporting kidney health. So, give this juice blend a try and give your kidneys the boost they deserve. Don't forget to follow us for more fresh and easy recipes. Cheers to good health.